Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Marvel intro in After Effects. First, gather your high-resolution images and video clips. These will be the building blocks of your intro. Next, open After Effects and create a new composition. A common size is 1920 by 1080 pixels with a frame rate of 24 frames per second. Finally, import all your collected media into the project panel. This keeps everything organized and ready for use. Now, let's create that iconic comic book feel. Arrange your images and videos in a dynamic sequence on the timeline, layering them creatively. Then, apply a page turn or card wipe effect to transition between these elements, mimicking a flipping comic book. Experiment with the effects properties, such as fold direction and render amount, to achieve a realistic and visually engaging transition. This step truly brings the collage to life. Next, we'll add the crucial text and visual effects. Incorporate dynamic text layers for your titles and character names, choosing bold, impactful fonts. Apply exciting visual effects like glow, lens flare, or particle systems to enhance the overall visual impact and add a cinematic touch. Remember to animate your text and other elements using keyframes, ensuring smooth, engaging motion that captures the viewer's attention throughout the sequence. Finally, let's perfect the sound design and polish your intro. Integrate powerful sound effects, like whooshes and impacts, along with a dramatic musical score to elevate the experience. Synchronize these audio cues precisely with your visual transitions and animations for maximum impact. Review your entire composition for timing and consistency. Once satisfied, render your final video in a high-quality format, ready to impress your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.